This is the Hiwassee boat ramp in Murphy. There's the bridge. I think it's the Forsyth Bridge. Right across the river is this town of Murphy. And this is one of the boat ramp in Murphy. As you see, people drop their boats off. And of course I get the assignment to ruin my video. But this is the Hiwassee River. And you can launch your kayaks, boat, and whatever else. The water is quite cold, at least to me. I think it's cold. You can touch the water, touch the Hiwassee River. And up there is the confluence with the Valley River, about half mile downstream. And it all flows into Lake Hiwassee and goes into those dams. And you see one of the boatmen that are pulling his anchor up. He pulled in here for a while to go fishing. That's what's happening here. This is the Hiwassee River. This is the section of that along the bank. Someone apparently left a sailboat. Oh, look at the butterfly. Butterfly! Go butterfly, go! I say, why are you taking my video? More fun, the Hiwassee River. There you go. In the area. Sticks and logs in it.